and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are replacing a door glass on this 2024 Grand Highlander laminated, so it should be nice and easy with no glass to clean up. Today we are going to show you where all the peekaboo screws are on this guy to get this panel taken off of here. So we are going to take our WRD TRT, and first and foremost we're going to lift the felt out of the pocket here. And then we're going to take that and slip it right underneath this edge, lift this panel off of here, like so. And we'll unplug that guy there. You can see one screw there, one right there, and then the obligatory one right behind your little panel here. Get that off without it jumping out at us. And set that one right there, and you can see our third screw right there. So take our drill and yank these guys out. Like so, and like so. Set those aside, and don't have any, there's a spot right there you can get your hand behind and give that a tug and pop that all loose, and then give this a pull here. That should let go like so, and then unplug all of our little doodads back here so we don't yank any wires out. There, that one's unplugged. And then this guy right here, we can get our fat fingers in there, and that is that. Super easy to get that door panel off. And we'll have to pop this guy off, and then that's one of our mounting points right there as well. We'll pull those out. This one, we'll go ahead and use our TRT again. Slip that out of there. Then these are just simple locks. Give them a quarter turn or an eighth turn. Then we're going to use our TRT again, and we'll pop these guys out. Apparently those locks pop out of there, so don't lose those. There's one more right there hiding behind that, and that one just slid off of there, so we'll pop that guy out and put him back like so. We can pop this guy loose right here. We'll do that from the back side so we don't break those tabs off. Same thing with this one. Try to anyways. See here, let's pop that, and it looks like we can just lift that up to access that one when we slip this down. So we'll leave that loose right there. Go ahead, plug this back in. Bring our window down. And there is one, and there is two right there. Pull those, slip it out, slide your new glass in. We're going to go ahead and lift this guy out of here too, just for good measure. Set that aside. Make sure we turn our car off so we don't kill our battery. And that is getting into the door panel on a 2024 Grand Highlander. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.